Welcome to Big Bang, the magical book on quicker maths. I'm Taira. This is part 2 from the 30th chapter, Time and Distance. For the previous part 1, please click the link which is given in the description part of this video. Now, example 6. A boy walking at a speed of 10 km per hour reaches his school 15 minutes late. Next time, he increases his speed by 2 km per hour, but still he is late by 5 minutes. Find the distance of his school from his house. For the first time, the speed of the boy is 10 km per hour. And the second time, next time he increased his speed by 2 km per hour. That means 10 plus 2, 12 km per hour. The second time, speed of the boy is 12 km per hour. For the first time is late by 15 minutes. The second time is late by 5 minutes. We have to find out the distance of his school from his house. The required distance is equal to product of two speeds divided by difference of two speeds into difference between the time arrivals. Okay, product of two speeds. First speed is 10 km per hour. Second speed is 10 plus 2, 12 km per hour. So product is 10 into 12 divided by difference is 12 minus 10 into difference between arrival times. The first time is 15 minutes later, the second time is 5 minutes later. For example, let the correct time is 10 o'clock. For the first time is late by 15 minutes, that means he arrived at 10:15. Second time is late by 5 minutes, that means he arrived at 10:05. So into difference between the arrival times 10:05, 10:15. Difference is 15 minus 5. Now this is in minutes. I am converting the minutes into hours, so that is divided by 60. That is 120 by 2 into 10 by 60. After simplification, we get 10 kilometers. So the distance between the school and his house is 10 kilometers. Example 7. A boy goes to school at a speed of 3 km per hour and returns to the village at a speed of 2 km per hour. If it takes 5 hours in all, what is the distance between the village and the school? Given the first speed is 3 km per hour to go to school, the second speed is 2 km per hour to come back from the school to house, to village, and the total time taken to go and come back is 5 hours. We have to find out the distance. So the required distance is equal to product of two speeds divided by sum of two speeds into total time taken. Okay, now you are getting a doubt. In the previous examples, we have taken the difference of two speeds and the difference of the time arrival. But in this example 7, we are taking total and sum. Why? See, in the previous questions, it is given the two timings, late by 15 minutes, late by 5 minutes, or late by 15 minutes, early by 5 minutes. Two timings are given, but here only given the total time to go and come back. So that's why I'm taking total time taken, sum of two speeds. So that is equal to product of two speeds. The first speed is 3, second speed is 2, sum of two speeds. So that is equal to 3 into 2 divided by 3 plus 2 into 5. That is 6 by 5 into 5. 5 will cancel, 5 ones are 5, 6 into 1, that is 6 kilometers. So the distance between the village and the school is equal to 6 kilometers. Example 8. A motor car does a journey in 10 hours. The first half at 21 km per hour and the second half at 24 km per hour. Find the distance. The same model, example number 7. But there is a small difference in the formula. Try to follow it. Given the total time taken by the motor car to complete the first half and second half is 10 hours. The first speed is 21 km per hour. The second speed is 24 km per hour. We have to find out the distance. So required distance is equal to, we know the general formula, product of two speeds divided by sum of two speeds into total time taken. Here in this question, first half, second half. There are two parts. To go and come back the same distance is different from to cover the first half and second half. That's why I'm multiplying 2 into, got it now? Two halves are there, first to second. So required distance is equal to 2 into product of two speeds divided by sum of two speeds into total time taken. So that is equal to 2 into 21 into 24 divided by 21 plus 24 into 10. That is equal to, this is 45, 21 plus 24. 2 into 21 into 24 divided by 45. After simplification, we get 224 kilometers. So the required distance is equal to 224 kilometers.